Hello to all YouTubers out there. Hey, today is not a how-to video actually, but it's kind of a little bit about my shop and what I've done. Jim Bollinger Electric has installed, this is the second one he's put in for me. This one I caught from start to finish on the installation, so I'd like you to see how this was put up. And thank you, Jim Bollinger, for a good job of installation. But let's get on with it and just see what happened today. Now, okay, here we're starting installation today on the new mini split heater air conditioner. It's being installed by Jim Bollinger and Son Heat and Air, Dexter, Missouri. He just back in. This is the second one that they've put in for us, and we put one in the she shed a couple years back, and it's a Mitsubishi, and that's the product that he sells, and it's been a very good unit. And this one's big enough to handle this whole shop and make me total electric here, and we will be much better off than that gas. With the price of gas going up, this will be a money-saving adventure for me. Here we see the bracket installed for hanging the unit. Now it's time to install the condensing unit out back of the shop.